Hey Jared, on a scale of 1 to 10, how
hot is this thing? Fucking hot. How hard is this? Not that hard.
I was gonna say, how impatient are you?
Not that impatient.
I say on a scale of 1 to 10, he's about an 8 when it comes to like putting stuff on, especially when I'm being lazy about it. He's always like, let's go do it. Yee. Rally Sport. Ooh, will I make it without scraping? Yeah, I made it without scraping to the back. In order for us to put the cam cover on, we got to remove these 3 bolts. There's 3, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, these 3. And the cam cover, the cam angle sensor itself, and then plug it, and then pull it off. Right, Jared?
Right.
Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get to it.
I just want to slide the fuck off.
Didn't we have that problem last time?
No, I slid off last time. I might want to put a band in front of this fucking first and let it cool down some.
Boy, it's hot as fuck.
Let's find a Sharpie real quick and mark these.
You asked yourself if you have one big enough?
So I was just wondering, like, fuck, we got this far. Didn't even check the Allens.
These bolts are hot as fuck.
Where's this one?
Holy!
Oh, you got an easy one.
Booger! That was actually really fucking hot.
That one is just right. I think there is one down here, actually. This one. I was looking at the cover.
Alright, so here is a side-by-side comparison. Almost completely identical except for the bracket, and it's just a clear cover to make my stuff look what?
Fresh.
As fuck.
Got Struggle City here.
Wait, so there's only one long bolt?
2 for the top.
Oh. Hold my beer. I guess I gotta get a smaller bolt.
The best stories though, the hold my beer statement.
You're not wrong. Alright guys, we got it done. As you guys can see, we've gotten into 2 small problems. Stuff that we can really fix. So at a later time, we have 2 bolts here. The ones that came with it are too long, like way too long. As you guys can see right here, this is protruding out more than this is. It's actually recessed right here, so we need to get shorter bolts to go into both spots, and we'll be all good to go. I mean, we're good to go now, so the only other thing we need to do is, since there's no bracket here for the G-Force logo, we gotta find a way to keep this from extending all the way out here. And alright guys, this is what it looks like. I like it. Thank you, Jared. Hopefully your gun doesn't fire off on us. What you think, Jared?
I think it's pretty cool. Put some LED strip in there. Like that.
I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo.
There's one for the two.
Alright, I'm gonna go get tacos. Want anything? It's the next day, guys. Just wanted to go ahead and give you guys like an idea of what I'm gonna go and do next to the car. So, like, I'm mainly focusing on interior and sound on the car. So we've got a plan for, since we put the downpipe on and then we did the mid pipe. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this exhaust that is sitting in the back of the shop that Jared works at, and we're gonna go get the hangers rewelded and hopefully get them matched up for this exhaust location thing, because it all works out. I mean, they're exactly the same bend and everything. It's just that the hooks are in a different place, so we have to get those rewelded just to make it fit properly, because it fits for an R32 but same length and same I guess way it curves or whatever for an R33. So we're going to do that on the car later at some point, but we're also going to try and start hooking this up with the interior. Some point I want to go and get my quick release put back in. It's been a while since I used it, and I need to really start using it again. Otherwise I'll be sitting here with the stock steering wheel again. So those are some things that I'm gonna do. I thought about getting into not carbon fiber, but like refitting, like making parts, small stuff like this and like this that's completely broken off right now, and maybe a little bit of airbrushing if I can get an airbrush kit for a decent price, which I looked around and they're like not that expensive. So I thought about airbrushing some small things here and there around on the car just to make it different. I'm looking to tint the side markers as well, because I don't like orange or chrome. Also get the channel up and going. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. That is my goal right now. So please, if you guys get the chance, help us out. Send some subscribers my way. If you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe. Let me know what you think about the car so far. We've only done small things here and there. I do need to wash it. The thing is dirty. I mean, like, look at it. Dirty. We all know that like Skyline parts and JDM parts in general aren't cheap, so it's gonna take me a little bit to get to fixing a bunch of stuff. I also need to fix the headlights. I mean, they're pretty not dim, but they're an older like style of light bulb, so it's pretty terrible in my opinion. I also need to get new shift boots. I need to go talk to one of my sponsors, Infocus Shift, and see about getting a new shift boot. Don't know what I want to do. Going on, I haven't even ridden the bike in a while. I need to go take the bike out for a ride at some point. I'm also thinking about taking it apart and spray painting it all white, because it is technically supposed to be white, but turned out it was plastic dip. Another one of the Subi guys in the neighborhood. Also, what was it? Turns out this, as you guys can see, there's like 2 different colors of black. It's Plasti Dip. So we're gonna remove the Plasti Dip and probably paint over it. I'm thinking about doing white or gray, just something to liven up the interior a bit. So let us know what you think about the car so far and what we could do better. Like, comment, subscribe. There's gonna be more to come soon. Just gotta save the money to get to it. So see you guys in the next video. Alright.